Welcome back to the Friday night kitty party with Two Chicks Saving Cats. We are continuing tonight's TNR releases at location number 2. We're coming back for you. We are. Oh, the tinies. Oh gosh. Guys, do you see how tiny these babies are? We would desperately like to bring them in, but we are out of fosters. And until someone adopts, we don't have any more room. Hi, baby. Hi. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. They're so tiny. Come here. You're gonna come hang out with us for a minute while we let your siblings go. Alright, you ready, baby? You ready to go free? Oh, good baby, huh? Boom. Off and running. Hey, Beth. You just missed the release. But as you can tell, there's plenty more kitties here to catch. Including babies. We have babies that need someone to foster them. Hi. She says hi. I'm cute. I'm adorable. I can be such a lovely kitty if someone will make room in their home for me. So, annoy your friends, annoy your family, help us find some fosters. There are 2 litters of kittens at this location that need somewhere to grow up safe. They're about 5 weeks old at the moment and doing pretty good on the coming tame. Yes, you are adorable. The people aren't so bad. No, people aren't so bad. Alright, I'm gonna let you go now, because I don't have any choice and I have nowhere to put you, because we still have a house full of bottle babies and other kitties. So, adopt our kittens. Ooh. Mama's going to check on her. Adopt our kittens, volunteer to foster. Help us save these babies from a life in the wild. In the meantime, we'll be coming back to catch Mama and get her fixed, as well as the other mom at this location. Julie, how many cats are there here to catch?
Well, there's 2 different moms, and I think this orange one might be a male. And then there's some older kittens that were in the trees when I was here before that I haven't seen yet tonight. And then there's those babies, and potentially some other ones that I haven't seen. She said about 8, and I don't think that was including the kittens.
So 8 adults to trap at this site, 1 down.
2 down.
2 down. 2 down, some more to go, and a pile of kitties that need help. So just so everybody can see, that is South Cobb Drive. These cats are literally 2 houses away from South Cobb Drive. And they don't need to grow up here. So, if anybody hears of anybody willing to help, please shout out and let us know. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for everything you do to support us and our TNR efforts. Thank you for joining us for the 2nd installment of Friday Night Kitty Party. We'll be back next week with more TNR and more cute kitten videos. Thanks, everybody. Have a good night.